Good morning, mabuhay kasangkayan. Abang po kayo kung saan po kayo makakarating ngayon at ipapakita po natin yung lugar dito na pinagmamalaki po sa Macau. Lapang. Happy birthday tayo, happy birthday. Salamat sa invitation.
The Chinese temples, the Roman heritage. We will pass by the Macau Tower and we may stop by. We can
Good morning, mabuhay kasangkayan. Nakakaroon din mga Tagalawang. Adi sila.
Hey,
Mga palaglukat.
shout out, three boots.
Shoutout po mga labanganon, kami mga palapag nun. So, dito kami para mamasyal. Kalingap at susundan namin yung si Mario. Eh, may dala-dala siyang Mario na ano. Yung susundan namin. Yung, abang po kayo kung saan po kayo makakarating ngayon at ipapakita po natin yung lugar dito na pinagmamalaki po sa Macau. Dipili po sa tour guide ko saan po kami dadalhin, no? Mga kalingap. Hindi ganun. Ito po yung first ano namin pupuntahan.
What?
Sunod lang po kami.
What are you saying about?
Paras lang pala ang lamig doon saka dito, mga kalingap.
at the moment you may see the wall there. So from this angle, we will see this is the back of the wall. So you want to go to the other side, which is the front, but unfortunately it is covered now. But still, we can go there to take pictures. You can stay there for like 15 minutes, and after that, you will come back to meet right here again.
Okay, okay.
Everyone, this is the meeting point. Okay.
Okay.
Again in 15 minutes. So now it's 11:20. So let's say about 11:25, we'll come back to meet you again.
Okay.
Let's go to take pictures now.
Okay. Ito pala. Ang bahan nila. Oh, ganda. Ay ginagawa. So ito.
Jom, masa ka na?
Nagawa siya. Oh. Pasok tayo sa loob. Pwede pala.
To go inside?
Estando as ruinas de Paulo Espaco no tampo. Oh?
Ito pala. St. Paul.
St. Paulo. Since 1975. Historic building. 1834 it was built. 1834 na.
Oh, meron pa dito sa taas. Tingnan natin dito, ante. Natin dito. Ito yung simbahan. Ito mga simbahan. Sa taas. Ano tayo? Hindi na yung tour guide, naghihintay. Nahit na po namin yung 15 minutes na binigay para bumalik po dito sa ano.
Number 12 o'clock, the latest 12:05. We need to meet in front. You see there are two pink ladies waving to you.
Pink
So
ladies?
meet there,
Oh my
okay?
God, okay.
So you could go bakery shop.
Okay, bakery shop. Okay,
This is a local bakery shop for the like almond cookies.
almond cookies.
Almond cookies and also the peanut candies, egg rolls,
Pretest?
pork turkey.
Pretest. Ah, pretest, okay. I tried the pretest. Wow.
Ito pistachio.
Almond cookie, 30 each.
Ito yung original sa Portugal.
Hindi, bili ka nito, ante. Ante, sarap. Ah, pwede chikas?
Opo, pwede po lahat po.
Pwede. Ah, pwede.
Tinatanggap namin. Kami lang nagtatanggap ng ganun, sir.
Ay, ganun.
Pag nagbayad po kayo ng Hong Kong rin susupli sa inyo.
Ay, grabe. Pag nagbayad ng Philippine money,
Pwede po.
pwede rin.
Pwede rin, sir. Kaso mas maano kayo, mas mamamalang kayo.
Oo, syempre.
Pinakamagandang bayad dito, sir, mag-visa kayo kaya credit kasi zero bat ang Macau. Wala pong ba.
Wow. T-shirt, auntie?
Kahit ano, sir.
Bigyan ko kay Kuya Bal yung ballpen. Ganda yata ito. Isa pa more.
Isang dalawa, isa lang.
Okay, isa lang.
Isa lang.
Okay. Bigyan mo dyan kay, bigyan natin kay Kuya Bal yan.
Don't have internet, we need the internet.
Pero,
Yes!
tapos na kami doon sa souvenir shop. So dito na. Ay, may McDo pala dyan. Oh. Yung bahay dito. Yun yun. Apartment. Mga motor nila dito. Ganyan style. Yan. Lakad kami papunta ng bus kasi doon po nakaparada yung bus. Bawal kasi doon sa binabaan namin. Kasada dito. Mga ganyan, kasada dito. Marami na rin mga motor dito. Yung bus. Dito na kami ngayon. Dito na yung halaman. Ano ito dito? Instituto Cultural. Cultural? Here in Macau. Akala ko pala yung agyan. May luho nga yan. Ada sa tuwan to luho. Okay.
Tikit ko yan sa may kiyap.
Di ba, libre tayo pagkain? Free lunch tayo, di ba? Bus. Sa ilalim ng lupa ay mga bus. Kala ko kakain, bus pala to. Dito pala yung parkingan nila sa ilalim. Ito na yung bus namin.
Talaga yun tayong sa bahay kasi natin
you don't have to carry all of your belongings. If you want, you may leave them on your own seats. So that's why after you come back to the bus again, sit at where you are staying now.
Masok po sa loob ng bundok, tunnel.
Again, okay?
Maglabas kalsada.
So very soon, we arrive to the Metro Park and I'll let you know, follow me. Remember, we're gonna go up to level 2. Alright everyone? Level 2 is where we wanna go. Level 1 is a track. On the left hand side, it is the Metro Park Hotel. So this is where we are having our lunch. So you may want to get ready. We are going down very soon.
Kain na kami sa Metro Park Hotel, Macau. Ayan o. Metro Park Hotel. Wow, taas. Ito kami kakain. Sosyal. Yan o. Miss you. Macau, hello. Dami. Saan tayo?
Tatlo na dito tayo, Jess.
Okay. Tayo ba tayo? Na. Wala kami, Pete. Ulam pa? Ah, marami pang gulay. Pagkain ng salad, nakakalingap ka sa di kumain. Bro. Wala tayo. Dessert? Ayun, sorry.
Ako dyan na ako pizza. Hindi bayan.
Ha?
Bayan, ba't na ako ng pizza? Wala sa bayan pa.
Bayabas.
Picture ako yan.
Pizza. Wow. Sir? Okay. Siopaw. No more? Wala na siopaw. Dessert na tayo, mga kalingap. Lapang. Happy birthday tayo, happy birthday. Salamat. Salamat sa invitation. Birthday niya. Dessert na tayo, mga kalingap.
Wala ako sa kita.
Kaya po yung social tayo.
My favorite, oh. OMG, I almost missed it. Okra talong. Didn't you wanna try that one? Ayaw mo subukan yun?
Alright, so I hope that you have more energy to walk after lunch instead of sleepy, okay? So we still have some places to go and we still need to walk a lot.
Good.
Drive to the Chinese temple, the Royal Heritage. We will pass by the Macau Tower and we may stop by. We can stay at the bottom of the Macau Tower just to take some pictures there. Maybe like 10 minutes, okay, to stay at the bottom of the Macau Tower. We will not go up to the top of the tower. In fact, it is an observation tower. It means you could buy the tickets to go up to the top, just like in the way in Sydney. Like also, these are restaurants, meaning restaurants that you can have buffet there. Our Canadian friends can go up to the top to jump for us. But you can do that. Yeah. 1488. because the Chinese they go to temple to worship. Okay, so beside Taoism, there's also another one is Buddhism. All of local Chinese or Asian are Buddhist. Okay, Kunyam is the goddess of mercy, more like a lady appearance. Now, if you go to your left hand side, you can see there is a statue right here. That is the goddess of mercy, Kunyam statue in Buddhism. Okay, so if you are not able to take a picture of it, if you miss it, it's okay. You can always find the same one from the internet. You can see. So if you would like to go to those new ones, so that one no longer the best now. That's why we are going to the biggest casino in the world, which is the Venetian Macau Tower. So that's where we are going to stop by, and the bus going to stop right in front of the building, so we could go down.
Macau
And
Tower.
after we go down, after we go in, there's an outdoor area. We go there to take pictures. Okay, so after
The Macau Tower. Oh my God. 10 minutes daw dito sa Macau Tower. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung Macau Tower ha. Kung ano yung papakita ni Mario, tour guide, si Ken. Pagkatapos po dito mag-outro tayo para may vlog pa po tayo mamaya. Ano? Hello, Macau Tower. Oh my God. Wow. Happy Macau.
How are you?
Happy Macau.
oh,
Ayan. Yung mga dekorasyon na ng Chinese New Year. Ang Macau Tower. Wow. Ganda. So ayan na muna yung ating vlog ngayon dito isa. Mga kalingap, abang may mga vlog pa po tayo dito sa Macau sa pag-ikot po natin dito, mga kalingap. Thank you, Auntie. And siyempre, salamat din Kuya Bal, Kalingap Pagatina Vlogs. Maraming salamat. Tuloy po ninyo suportahan Joey the Great Ambassador ng sama mga kalingap at lahat ng mga pasudor. Suportahan po ninyo mga kalingap. Kasama natin mga volunteers na dyan po sa gitna natin. Hanggang sa muli mga kalingap, happy God bless. See you in my next vlog. Abang pa sa mga vlog natin. Dito po sa Macau Core. Bye-bye! Ingat po tayo palagi.